Birds of Prey. You would recommend specific episodes of this show to people.
No, like, I reckon if people just want to watch something and have no like sort of knowing that it's only last a season, you going in just watching it, thinking, okay, don't have to think much about it. It's like hard, don't have to really concentrate. Then yeah, I say watch it because
Okay.
it's easy watch. Like it's not a
Yeah.
13 episode. That's like half a day. You know, it's not that much of a or a week if you're like if you space it out, you can watch 2 episodes a day. It's a week. You know, it's fine.
Yeah.
Like it's not offensive. It's not gonna hurt you. So yeah, I'll recommend it to people.